How to add subtitles Kapwing. So first go to Kapwing and then just open up your project. So for example, this is mine. So if you want to add a subtitle to your project, first is you need to have audio, of course. And then if you want to add a video as well, you can do that. So let's say I'm going to add a subtitle here to my video. So I already have my audio here. So what you can do here is just click on subtitles here at the left side. Then you can just select whether you want to use auto subtitles, upload SRT or VDT, or start from scratch, or just dub the video. So let's say I'm going to use this one, auto subtitles. So you can just click on it. And then you can just choose the language. And then if you want to translate it, you can just choose any of the language here. And then you can just click on auto subtitle. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a notification here since I don't have a subscription plan here. So I'm only using a free plan. So if you want to use it multiple times, you'll need to have a subscription plan. Okay, so you can just click on auto subtitle here, and then it will start generating these subtitles for you. Now let's just wait, and there you go. So you can see. So let's just play it for a bit. Hey, this is an example. You can see here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.